What's up, YouTube? It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I just dropped off my sister at work. I got home last night from work, from my job at midnight. Yeah. 5 o'clock. It's fucking April the 2nd. Yeah, I dropped off my sister at work. Because, you know, family first, that's how we do it. Just left AutoZone. Bought stuff to wash the car because I'm recording. Because fucking bird pooped on my car. And I don't like the way it looks. It looks like horrible. And then fucking cat, little cat right here. I feel like I'm living in the fucking jungle or something. God damn. About to wash my car. I'm gonna use a 2-bucket system. We have one for dirty water, one for clean water. That's how we do it. Don't ever put your sponges or whatever you use to touch your car. Don't ever put them on the floor. Because it's going to pick up rocks, it's going to scratch your car. So don't ever put them on the floor. What do you think, bro? What do you think? Huh?
It's clean. Oh, no push to start. EcoBoost.
That's how we roll, man. What? YouTube, bro? YouTube, bro? Alright, YouTube, guys. What's up, Gavin?
How are you?
What you got there?
Enjoying my chorizo burrito.
What do you got?
I got
Bro, got some tacos. Fucking got scared. I thought they were towing cars and shit. But mine is still here. Carlos is, yeah, it's still there.
Cash or credit?
Cash.
It'll be $15. Here you go. Enjoy the game.
Sweet, thank you, man. Taking Beyonce for her first event, Dodger game opening day. Woo, woo. That's it, right? We'd have to give her money.
Yeah, just give her the ticket.
Where's the ticket?
You didn't give us anything.
Oh, it's up there. We're here. Yeah. Boy Carlos. Put it together. What? What's up? Hey. Well, they didn't pick us, but it's alright. We get shy. Yeah, she's got some fucking hot dogs and some beer. Carlos, what's up? What do you need to put on there?
Everything.
Everything, everything. That's how we do it.
I'll go everything.
You want pickles? You want pickles?
Oh shit.
So the game just ended. We lost. But it's alright. It's a good game, good experience. It's a good time. You know, it's a good game. 2 home runs back to back. It's all good. You probably saw the game on whatever channel it's on. My bro.
Unless you're broke and got no cable.
Yeah, Hulu. Good game. Good times. Lots of beer. Fucking peanuts. And more beer. So Dodger Dogs, yeah. If you're not from LA, you will never know what it is, what it's like to come to a Dodger game. The West Coast, it's the best coast. It's gonna be a bitch getting out. Oh man.